Welcome everyone to NCRC, once again back to the India's biggest virtual competition. I'm sure all of you had a lot of fun last year, but I think this year it's going to be even bigger than what we did, right? So before that, I'm sure all of you are waiting to know what NCRC was all about and what fun we had last time. And of course, a big hands, out to our winners who won it from the junior and the senior category last year. So here we go. So just to have a look at the last year's winners and the last year finalists. So, especially in the junior category for NCRC, we had three people who topped the leaderboard, which was Yadunandan, Manishka, and Siddesh. And apart from that, we had 100 makers who backed the Maker 100 awards. Let me not go too detailed into that, but I'm sure all of you are able to see how much fun we had last year hosting people challenging for NCRC and going ahead with it. Yeah. A big shout out to the senior NCRC winners as well, Kancharla Srimatraj, Kaushik, and Tarani, who backed the first, second, and the third place of senior NCRC category respectively. And a big congrats and cheers to the last year Maker 100 awards. Very happy to let you know that along with this year, we have even bigger surprises back just for you. So get set, get ready. We're going to go off to the bomb blast. Yeah.
Go NCRC! Go NCRC! Go NCRC! Go NCRC! Go NCRC! Go NCRC!
So as you can see, folks, we had an amazing grand finale last year with Babu Prithviraj announcing all these winners and have a great blast.
SP Robotics has conducted an event. Juniors category. Can you believe it? They are less than 10, they're less than 9, they're less than, I think somebody is here who's hardly 8 years old. Siddesh SI, congratulations. You should be artificial intelligence. AI, not SI. Juniors, second place winner, Manishka. Congratulations, Manishka. I'm so proud of you. God bless. In juniors, the winner, the number 1 category, Yadunandan. Congratulations, Yadunandan. God bless. I'm so proud of you. Now I'm going to announce the seniors, and we'll go 3, 2, 1. And in third place, we have Tarani. Congratulations, Tarani. Very proud. And the winner, the second place, seniors category is Kaushik. Congratulations, Kaushik. Very proud of you. And the winner in the senior category, the number 1 place, all the way from, we have Kancharla. Congratulations, Kancharla. Very proud of you.
Felicitating our winners. So this year it's going to be even bigger, even grander. Last year we had close to 1,000 people participating. This year we're going to have a limit or an upper limit of only 10,000 students, so that we are able to give a lot more prizes and so that a lot more people can benefit from the 50 lakh worth of prizes. And not just that, every single participant who's going to be registering with NCRC is going to have a gift voucher worth 20,000. Right? I'm not going to spill the beans right now, right? You'll have to call us to get to know more as to how can you win it. All right. So this year we're going to make it even bigger, even grander, which means that obviously we have a lot more prizes and sponsors taking part of the event, right? So with respect to the prizes, we are actually looking at 3, right from the junior category and the senior category. So for the junior category, which is 7+ years to up to 10, we actually have the first prize, second prize, and third prize being sponsored by Sterling Holidays, Kidspreneur, and Tai Chennai. And not just that, we actually have something special, just like last year for the Maker 100. But apart from that, we actually have something more for the top 25 and the top 50, which we'll be revealing at the end of this live, so that all of you will know what a bazinga of an NCRC this is going to be. All right, so 3 cheers to all the sponsors who come on board with us. And apart from that, we'll actually be looking at say even both cash prizes and gift prizes for the students who are coming on board. So get set, let's go. So as you can see, this year NCRC is going, as I said, it's going to be bigger and better, which means we obviously have a lot more jury coming on board. But just before that, I know all of you are interested to know when you can participate, when you can start registering, what is the rules, what do I, where do I register, all of that, right? So with respect to where you can register, we'll be publishing the link, at the end of this live, so that all of you can go onto the portal and register yourselves. But with respect to the rules and the regulations and all of that, the step-by-step process for the event, we're going to be hosting a separate live next weekend, just to ensure that we are able to take all of your questions and be able to answer them over a much detailed live. All right. This is going to be absolutely for the grand launch, so that all of you know what are you set for. Okay. So let me proceed to formally introducing our jury. I would say our prize jewel of the event, because it's an amazing opportunity for all of you to be able to meet, get judged, and also be able to talk to these I would say industry experts, so that you can actually take your exposure to the next level. So these are the jury that we have as part of our National Coding and Robotics Challenge 2022, back for another year. So we have Mr. Pranav Srinivasan, who's the co-founder of Accio Robotics. We also have Mr. Sharif Kotuparat, who's the ex-CTO of Sun Microsystems. Kovit Savla, who's again the co-founder and the CEO of Adivite Tech. Manish Verma, who's again the co-founder and the CEO of Emertech Innovations. And Havish Srinath, who's again the founder and the CEO of Infiction Labs. Each of these esteemed jury have, I would say, a stalwarts in their own fields of, say industrial robotics, be it software, be it hardware, be it embedded systems, or be it even IoT and automation. So we've got a palette of jury from different fields, and I think the makers are super lucky to be able to get a chance to even be, knowing them and getting to know them through this event. So all the best, makers. Looking forward for a great NCRC from all of you. Yeah. But just before we break, we actually have one of our jury. That's what I was telling you about, that it's an amazing opportunity to be able to interact and be able to talk to the jury, and in fact have one of them on board as our guest speaker. So let me welcome Mr. Pranav Srinivasan as part of this live, just to felicitate and talk a few words about his involvement with NCRC, so that he could, rather take it up from here on how he's looking forward to take part.
Hey guys, I'm Pranav, co-founder and director of Accio Robotics. If you are curious about robotics and are looking to get your hands dirty, NCRC 2022 is an ideal platform for you to kickstart your journey. To get more insights about NCRC 2022, come join us for the launch on 12 December via Facebook Live on the SP Robotic Works Facebook page at 4 p.m. I'm really looking forward to being a part of the judging panel and seeing what you guys come up with.
So thank you so much, Pranav. I think that was very, very insightful of you to be able to be part of this, and hopefully we'll be seeing you in a lot more lives going forward, so that you could also interact with the fellow makers. Thank you once again. So folks, that's all from our end. As you saw, last year's was a super big dhamaka. This year is going to be an even bigger dhamaka. Going to be a bucket load of prizes. Right? I don't want to spoil the fun. I was saying to you earlier, the registration for NCRC is officially open. So which means for NCRC 2020, all of you can click on the link and go live and go register yourself. Remember, every single one of you are going to get a 20,000 rupee gift voucher as part of this. And I don't think anything beats that, apart from learning the course, experiencing it, and be able to share with the community, right? So go ahead. With respect to the rules and regulations, we'll be seeing to you and having a candid chat next weekend. So before that, I'm sure all of you are super pumped up for the NCRC 2020. So we'll be looking forward to every single registrations from your end right? We've already started receiving, I think a couple of them have already started registering on the website. That's super happy to know. Right, I think that's what I was telling you. We only have 10,000 slots left, and we've already started filling up our seats. So great job, makers. I'm super proud of you. Let me see you in the next live. We in fact have a couple of events for our makers where we'd actually be hosting our makers as part of the upcoming Facebook Live in the coming weeks. So the first 100 entries of the students who are registering for NCRC get to be part of our Facebook Live exclusively, right? So you can actually come to Facebook, you can start asking for votes, you can do a whole lot more. You can join me on this forum. So start getting to be part of NCRC by registering and challenge everyone to be part of NCRC along with you. Yeah. So this is Aarti. Tata bye. See you next week so that you can also catch up for more and more updates from our end. Ta-da.